On today's menu, the ultimate fast and homemade vegan black garlic ramen. Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Ramen is one of my absolute favorite recipes of all time. Traditionally, ramen takes about 10 to 12 hours to make from start to finish, but we're going to make a fast, easy, vegan version. Prepare yourself for the ultimate fast, homemade ramen. Bring a pot of water to boil. Noodles in to boiling water. When the noodles are done, strain them out with a sieve. Bowl, noodles, pan back on the heat, 2 cups water, heat up. This is a specialty seaweed called kombu. Really nice in flavor, you don't need much. Kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms. Season with salt. When the water starts to boil, turn it down to medium. What we're making here is kind of like the stock, or we also call it the dashi. Mixing bowl. 1 teaspoon cane sugar. 1 teaspoon rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. This is the amazing black garlic oil I made in the previous episode. Whisk. Check to make sure the shiitake mushrooms are soft. Turn the heat to low. 1/4 cup almond milk. Corn. And just pour in that incredible soup. Whisk. Kombu. And just be careful with your shiitake mushrooms, they're quite hot. I'm just removing that stem, which is a little bit tough. Be really careful. Now to assemble your bowl, start with your stock, your incredible shiitake mushrooms, your delicious kombu, now this is fermented bamboo. Corn. Green onion. Nori. We're going to finish off with that incredible black garlic oil. If you're on a tight schedule, you can still make this bowl of ramen with confidence. All you needed was 1 pot and a lot of love, and you have this amazing ramen. Just incredible.